Yeah, baby, it's that time again. I am here, and of course, I'm still alive. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cruising with a Case Handler. Sorry about the late start. We're supposed to start at 9:30, but of course, I had to make sure that the I's were dotted, the T's were crossed, and technically everything was capable and ready. Welcome, Adam Handler, my attorney, my personal injury attorney. Why do you have that hat on in your house?
It's funny. Like my buddy asked me that the same question when I wore this a couple weeks ago. He goes, "Are things that bad in business that you can't afford your heat?" No, I'm working remote today. I did not yet do my hair, so I figured, if I'm gonna look professional
Whoa. What do you mean, do your hair?
Well, I didn't brush my hair. I brushed my teeth. If you need to know, I have not yet taken a shower. But listen, I've been sitting at my desk since 7:30 working on a case. This is a crazy case. And before I introduce myself, you got to hear this story, Squeeze. I represent a gentleman that was involved in an accident in Queens. He's driving down the road and gets hit by an ambulance. The ambulance got its license sirens on. They're going somewhere. He's driving in his lane, and all of a sudden the ambulance comes into his lane and whacks him. Now, those are usually very, very hard cases because emergency vehicles in New York, and with good reason, emergency vehicles, when they're engaged in emergency operations, are given a little bit more leeway, a little more latitude as to how they can operate vehicles on the road. They can speed, they can run the red light, they could even go down the wrong way of a one-way street. You can't do it with a reckless disregard, meaning you can't do it knowing that you'll possibly kill somebody, but it's the standard of negligence is much different. We get a copy of the video from the dash cam of the ambulance, okay? And not only does the dash cam show the front, the side, and the rear, the dash cam shows the interior of the ambulance, what the driver and the passenger are doing, okay? Squeeze, what do you think the driver of this ambulance driving down the road, speeding, making a right-hand turn from the middle lane was doing at the moment of the accident? What do you think that they were doing?
Well, they're supposed to be focused and paying attention. I mean, what else would they be doing?
She was eating a sandwich, driving with one hand, eating a freaking sandwich. The accident happens. The sandwich goes flying. She starts cursing and she gets out of the car. That's all we really see in the video. So listen, what went from a very, very difficult case, it just came into something that may be just a little bit better, because I can guarantee you if a judge and a jury ever saw a video that this vehicle, which is supposedly involved in an emergency operation and has to have due regard for life, was eating a freaking hoagie, okay, I think they've got a big problem. So ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, my name is Adam Handler. I am your case handler. In case you haven't gotten a sense of it, I love my job. I love what I do. I love being an attorney. I'm a third-generation attorney, third-generation personal injury attorney. My grandfather started practicing in 1932. My father started practicing in 1973. I started practicing in 2003, and we have done some incredible things over the years, helping those individuals that have become a victim in an accident. They call me the case handler. Why? Because I'm really, 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 really good at what I do. You folks have depended on me. I've embraced you. It's been a wonderful journey so far. And Squeeze, with your endorsement and your help, would you please introduce everybody officially to this show?
Absolutely, man. I hear all the construction going on around me, which is I'm gonna have to ask you to talk about construction accident, because I think you are the ultimate personal injury attorney when it comes to construction, man. All over, Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cruising with a Case Handler. It's a show about personal injury law, but it's a show with the #1 personal injury attorney in the nation, in my opinion. Why? Because I have seen what it is that he has done over the past 17 years on this station for the Caribbean community and beyond. And that's the reason why he's on the radio show every single day. This morning, you heard Major Hype talking about him, saying that he's the ultimate attorney and everything when it comes to accident cases. That's going to continue. And that's the reason why everyone tuning into 93.5 FM and hearing the jackhammer behind, if you work on a construction site, this is the man that you need. God forbid you get hurt in that accident. Because I've seen him settle, man, $5 million cases, Adam Handler. Is that correct?
Oh, yeah. We once had a couple of years ago when things were rocking and rolling, the courts were open for business. I had a settlement of $5 million, and then 2 weeks later, I had a settlement of $5.2 million. One was a bus accident, one was a construction accident. So nobody's ever going to be able to say, hey, handler, he can't handle the big case. Hey, handler, he can't settle the big case. Nobody's going to say, hey, handler, he can't try the big case. And that's what sets me apart from most of the other attorneys out there. Attorneys that advertise are usually not the attorneys that are working on your case. They usually have paralegals and associates that work for them. And of course, there's nothing wrong with that. But that doesn't always lead to the best possible outcome. When you want Adam Handler, the case handler, to be your attorney, I am your attorney. I'm invested in every case. I handle every case. I help negotiate every case. Nothing happens at Pollock, Isaac, and DeSico with respect to personal injury if I don't know about it and I don't approve of it. So, and that's why we've been so successful. I have wonderful teammates. I don't even call them employees. I call them teammates. Matthew Goodstein, my brother, Sandra, Sandy, Leanna, Brooke. I got a wonderful, wonderful team with me that helps the clients. I mean, sometimes there's cases in which I don't even speak to the client in a week or two because the paralegals are speaking to them every day. I'll say, hey, what's going on with Juliana's case? Oh, she had this. I just spoke to her a couple of days ago. This happened. So constant communication, constant engagement, and the best possible results. So if that's something that's important to you and important to your family, I highly suggest you take down this phone number. My phone number is 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529, or just Google the case handler. We had another 5-star review come in last night. I don't know if you saw that, Squeeze.
Yep.
A 5-star review from another happy client. The results don't lie, the reviews don't lie, the endorsements don't lie. We've done some incredible things. You'll take down that information. If you have a case right now and you got your lawyer through the emergency room or from the tow truck guy or for somebody that rolled up to you at the scene of the accident, congratulations. You've been officially retained by a lawyer that doesn't know how to play fair, that cheats the system, that does things that are unethical. And I wish you the best of luck. And then again, if you have an attorney that's not named Adam Handler, you got the wrong attorney.
Definitely. I don't know if you realize, man, do me a favor. All right.
Yeah.
Go to one of your browser pages. Okay.
Yep.
And pull up your Google reviews, please. So just Google the case handler.
Just Google the case handler.
Yeah, and then click on where it says 74 reviews and click on
yeah.
it.
Look at this. We have a 5-star rating.
Whoa. Do you mind if I do that, man? That's the reason why I'm telling you to do that.
Holy moly. Look at that.
Dude, just do what I tell you to do, man.
I just did it.
No, I don't see share it.
Oh, share it.
Yeah, okay. Share it. I want to pull it up on the screen. Huge announcement, ladies and gentlemen.
This is big. Wow.
Big announcement. I caught that, so I wanted to bust the news. Adam, I run him out. Come on, load the thing, man. Let me deal with the thing. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are now watching us on Facebook, right, you will see something on the screen. I'm not going to announce it yet. Everybody out there who can safely do so, as Adam would say, I need for you right now, ladies and gentlemen, this is huge. I need for you right now to Google the case handler. And where it says 74 reviews, to the left of that, I need for you to tell me the number that you see. Very, very, very important. All right. Just Google the case handler, and I need for you to go to where it says 74 reviews. Tell me the number that you see to the left, and tell me how many stars you see to the left of that. I can assure you that no personal injury attorney on this radio station has what it is that Adam has right now on this screen. Because guess what? I've Googled all of them. I'm sorry. I did my due diligence, unlike some attorneys. But Adam always does his due diligence. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Googled the case handler, and lo and behold, Adam Handler is at 5.0. It is the highest rating that one can get from Google. How you feel, brother? Take the award.
You know what? Seeing that 5.0 reminds me of my favorite Vanilla Ice song, "Rolling in my 5.0 with my rag top down so my hair can blow."
Mustang. Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, that is great. But you know what? It's a testament to that team I was just talking about. Sandra, Matthew, Leanna, Brooke. You know, we do some incredible things. Listen, don't take my word for it. Take the 74 Google reviews, a 5-star review, their word for it. We recently settled the case for a gentleman. If I could just read his review, and then I just want to play one quick testimonial. He settled this case a couple of weeks ago, and he wrote, "Unfortunately, my English is not good enough to express myself, but what I can say about Adam is that he will not just be your attorney, but he will be your friend along the way, answer all your questions in a matter of minutes, and respond to your phone calls, emails. For sure, he'll get the result you expect, or even better than you expect. In short, think of your close friend helping you get the best result for your case." That's so sweet. Your close friend. He has a great personality, and he's the best case handler for sure. Meet him and you'll understand what I'm saying. Thank you, Adam, and your team. Once again, there's that word team. And Squeeze, if you look, you know, in that review, in those reviews, the number one mentioned word in the reviews is the word team. Yep. Family is next. Results. I mean, unbelievable response. We've created a community that is unlike any other law practice in this nation as far as what people are saying, what people are doing, how people feel. Squeeze, if you wouldn't mind, let me play this one before. I know we're pressed for time,
Absolutely.
but let me play this one testimonial. I really do think, you know, this is so cool. Hold on one second.
By the way, folks, note the number 844-774-3529. That is the number for Adam Handler. 844-774-3529. Everyone needs the number. You never know when you're going to get hurt in an accident. 844-774-3529.
This was Angie. She had I think it was either $225,000 or $245,000 settlement from the city.
All right, we're rocking and rolling. We're live. Yes, okay. So my name is Adam Handler. Of course, I am your case handler. This is Angie, one of my most favorite special clients. I say that of all my clients, but she really is. Special. She is amazing. She's been a client of mine for several years now, a huge supporter of everything I do on social media. And, you know, she's just always been there to support me, which is amazing. She picked up her settlement check today, $225,000. Big settlement. Big settlement for a trip and fall accident that occurred in Queens. We sued the city of New York. We got her big money. Difficult case, but we came through with it. How do you feel today?
I feel amazing. When I got the news, I feel amazing, but I knew I had the right people behind me. I knew once you made that right decision, you know everything is going to flow. And that's what I did. And then we got positive results with the positive person.
You're a positive person. Hopefully that's the only thing positive happening right now in this room.
Positivity wins all the
time. We got
the
masks on.
Yeah, so hey.
Angie, do me a favor.
Sure.
What would you say to anybody out there that got into an accident and wasn't sure what to do as far as who to turn to, who to rely on? What would you say to them?
I would definitely recommend you hands down 1,000, 1,000,000%. You have to be, in order for you to get the right results, you have to be with the right people. No matter what you do in life, you have to, in order to get your results, you have to be with the right person and the right people. And I hands down, co-sign, endorse Adam, the case handler. Hands down.
Thank you, my friend. Listen, all you need is love and a good attorney.
That's right. That's right. And that's what's here. That's what's here. We're real.
We got both. This is the real deal.
This is the real deal. I don't sugarcoat. I don't play fakes. That's just me. That's my personality.
She's not a paid spokesperson.
Nope, not at all. Not at all.
$225,000.
Yep.
Good luck to you.
Thank you. Oh, I love you too.
I think you're muted, brother.
I said, that is wonderful. It's so unbelievable to see how everything unfolds when you are with your clients in every which way, on the phone, off the phone, on video, in person, whatever, man. It's so
the real deal, man. It's and I do it with great love, and I do it with pride, and it's all good. I mean, that's the best way to say it. It's all good. Accidents are terrible. Injuries are terrible. You can never truly prepare for an accident. You can only truly prepare for your response. So the question is, ladies and gentlemen, what is your response going to be when disaster strikes? Who are you going to rely on like Angie did? Who are you going to count on like the thousands of other people before you who have retained my services and I've helped obtain over $140 million for? Who are you going to count on? One chance, one choice, one case handler, often imitated, never duplicated. You know who the best is. You know where to go. You know who to rely on. Thank you so much for your endorsement, Squeeze. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for listening, tuning in. Facebook, Instagram. We're almost at 10,000 Instagram followers. We got like 400 more to go. If you are listening right now and can safely do so, check out the K-Sander on Instagram. Check out the K-Sander on Facebook. Be connected to my practice. Be connected to this community. You've embraced me. I've embraced you back. One love. Thank you so much, Squeeze. And I hope you have a great bleep day.
Have yourself an amazing bleep. Ladies and gentlemen, the number is 844-774-3529, 844-774-3529. So whenever you hear another attorney on this station, think twice. Call Adam Handler. Even if you don't want to, call. The number is 844-774-3529. Easily remembered, 844-PPIDLAW. Or just Google the case handler. That's it. Just Google.
Yeah, Squeeze, there's that expression, measure twice, cut once.
Yep. I always do, man.
Think twice, dial once.
Yep. That's what I do.
So measure, what did you say? What is it? Measure twice, cut once. Yeah, that's right.
Yep. Yes, that's what I do when I'm dating my girls, man. You know, that's what I do. You know, that's it. Measure twice, cut once. You know, hopefully I don't end up being single for the rest of my life. But anyway, you know.
Please.
Well, thank you all so much. A little bit of
what are we doing here?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, got to put some entertainment in. But honestly, ladies and gentlemen, I'm speaking from my heart. Adam is truly the best attorney I have ever met in my life. And I have a lot of attorney friends, but he's a true friend more than any other attorney. And yes, it's because of how he treats people, but also it's about how he handles his business. And that's very, very, very important, because without that, we can't survive. So Adam Handler, thank you so much. Zenmar is killing me, but saying that, what happened?
Sorry, Zen.
I said, yeah, you know. So thank you so much, Adam. 844-774-3529. Everybody have yourself an amazing day. We thank you so much for tuning in. You didn't have to, but you did. And pass the word on to every single person you know. Just store the number. That's all we're asking you to do. Adam, take care, man, and have yourself an amazing day too.